And of course, there's the sheriff, Marlon Gustman. Now he's been somewhat controversial lately, and I understand that at least Charles Foti, who is thinking about running, and as I understand is going to run, although has not formally declared. So how does Gustman look? Foti was, of course, the former
Mhm.
sheriff before he became the Attorney General for the state of Louisiana.
Well, we did include a question about the criminal Orleans Parish sheriff because of the unique political circumstances. And what we found is that only a third of respondents approve of the job that he is doing. 56% disapprove, with over half of those individuals strongly disapproving. So he really faces an uphill battle to connect with constituents and voters. The video that came out of the goings on in the prison, I think, was extremely damaging, and that's going to be tough to overcome. That being said, he has a history of being very popular. You look at his election results; he's always done very, very well. He's had a strong crossover appeal, so you know I'm not going to count him out.
Sure.
Because he may have weak opposition. He may be able to make the argument that, yes, we made mistakes, but now we've got this consent decree and we're going to move forward and we know, how to proceed now. So, but I would say at this point, he has an uphill climb, no doubt.
Sure, and of course, he could argue that Foti only had
Yes.
one term.
Well,
As yeah,
not only
I mean
that, but
one
he can
term
also
as
argue,
the Attorney General.
right, and he can also argue that it was Foti who basically handed him the prison in the condition that it was in, and that you know these problems have just been kind of institutional, and it's not necessarily his tenure as sheriff, but that's just been going on long before he became sheriff, and that it was just so ingrained that it was just, and without the money from the city to rebuild and reform, that he just wasn't able to do the job properly.
Sure. Now, what's the breakdown in terms of white black as relates to Gusman?
Um, 37% of blacks support Gusman, 25% of whites approve of his job.
Oh, okay. Now, in terms of the 37% support,
Hmm.
so that's kind of low within that
It is
community.
low. I mean, given the fact that it is low. I mean, that's why these numbers. If I was the sheriff, I'd be extremely disappointed by these numbers. Uh, but he's like I said, he's always been popular. He's a strong campaigner. You know, he's it's going to be a difficult task, but it may just come down to the fact that, look, you can have me or this other guy, and people may just decide to vote for the lesser of two evils.